Danielle, can you say sit?
Sit.
What do you want baby David to do?
Are you gonna go sit on the couch so David can sit in your lap?
And Rara too?
Yeah, mommy too.
Okay, now say, oh boy.
Oh boy.
Now what do you want? Do you want to sit?
Yeah.
Can you say baby sit?
The baby sit. The sit.
You say, oh,
Oh,
sit.
sit.
Now put it together and say, oh, sit. Well, you gotta sit in this corner if you're gonna have baby David in your lap, okay?
There's a
Where are you gonna sit?
baby sit.
No, sit over here, okay?
There's a
No, baby's not gonna go sit up there.
Danielle, are you going to stand?
If you stand,
No.
If you stand, you can't have baby David.
Hey, you got to sit. Yeah. Can you say yes? Say yes. That's weird. Say yes. Can you say sit?
Sit.
That's why you're supposed to sit down, Danielle.
Sit. Sit. Baby sit. Baby sit.
What about mom? Do you want mom to sit?
Dada. Mommy sit. Mommy sit.